Macedonia, timeless.
In the heart of the Balkans, there is a country called Macedonia, the most eminent crossroads country, an inevitable station along your journey, but without doubt a place you would love to stay longer. It will enchant you with its magnificent uniqueness and awaken your curiosity from within. Throughout the centuries, Macedonia has kept the richness of its natural beauty, traditional values, and different cultures. A walk through the living museum, Kruševo. At 1,350 metres above the sea level spreads the highest mountain city in Macedonia and in the Balkans, the wonderful Kruševo. With a mild continental mountain climate, Kruševo is one of the coldest places in Macedonia. The average temperature is around 8 degrees C. But during the winter season it drops far below zero. Even in the summer season, the nights in this mountain town can be chilly, but are always cosy. Like a nest beneath the clouds embraced by the arms of Mount Buševa, 34 kilometres from the city of Prilep. From afar it calls you to touch the stars, to breathe in the freshness of the air and become drunk by its beauty. Kruševo is a city of art. One of the first and foremost associations with art is the gallery of the famous Macedonian painter Nikola Martinovski, where visitors are able to see over 70 of his works, which encompass different techniques such as oil paintings, drafts, and techniques involving glass. Just as the courageous Kruševo revolutionaries lived there, in recent times it is famous for one of the most significant people in Macedonia, the music legend Toshe Proeski, an outstanding singer with a voice that warms your heart and feeds your soul with its beauty. Toshe was the light that tragically faded too early at the age of 26 in a car accident. The man who made Kruševo popular again during and after his life. The number of tourists rises annually as they come to this place just to pay their respects and honour his eternal home. To visit his memorial house where his personal effects, photos, wax figures and instruments are exhibited. Every summer, famous musicians hold music workshops to educate young talents about the secrets of playing different instruments exactly in this house. The purpose of these workshops was to position the city of Kruševo, especially the memorial house of Toshe Proeski, as one of the leading musical and educational centres in the Balkans, where young music talents from all over the world will have a rare opportunity to visit workshops led by professional musicians, mentors, and musicians for different instruments for free. Toshe Proeski's memorial house has been considered recently as a momentous architectural work of art, especially because in 2011 it received the prestigious People's Choice Award for Architecture in Barcelona, as well as the Balkan Award for Architecture as the best architectural masterpiece in the region. Yet, if you truly strive to touch his soul, it is to be found 8 kilometers higher than Kruševo, near the monastery St. Preobrazhenia. This is where he found his own peace and quiet, a place for which he physically and financially contributed to during the building. In the vicinity of the monastery there is a telescope, so you can see the star of the constellation Pegasus, named after him. In the summertime though, Kruševo is a paradise for cyclists and parachuting. Mečkin Kamen is a place of Pitu Guli's monument, and for years now this has been the primary location to host the greatest European competition for parachuting and kite flying. There is also plenty of fun for those who prefer the cycling lanes. A real adventure where you can find pure enjoyment through the woods with beech and oak trees, drink some clean, fresh mountain water, and then finally go down to the city centre to visit some of Kruševo's finest restaurants. an unmissable end to these special days. The monument Ilinden, or Macedonium, was erected on August 2, 1974. This remarkable piece of work by the sculptor Jordan Grabowski symbolises the unyielding fight and the eternal strive for freedom and independence by the Macedonian people. The interior of the dome will impress you with its reliefs, the stained glass with eternal fire, and the sounds of the oratorio as a symbol of the freedom spirit of this city. Kruševo is a fairy tale, especially in wintertime, a true snowy idyll. There are well-kept houses, even from the time of the formation of the city in the 15th and 18th centuries, the time when the Vlach, who are recognised as a minority in Macedonia, inhabited this city. Kruševo is also known for its unique house architecture, true works of art, square and rectangular at the base, and with closed balconies instead of open verandas due to the cold climate. The interiors are pure museums which even today bear witness to the historical past and the art that was spread by its people, fresco painters, wood carvers, engravers and artists. Kruševo is best experienced on foot. People often stop by and take photos of the houses since each of them is unique and beautiful in its own way. For a moment you will feel that you are walking through a picture book or a film. It is a once-in-a-lifetime experience that you must not miss out on. A true tourist attraction is the ski centre Scout in the Stanic area. The snow in Kruševo lasts from November till March and provides for majestic ski slopes. Kruševo can always provide some winter adventure for you in the form of alpine and Nordic skiing, biathlon and a snowboard park. Also, the ski centre has several snow cannons at their disposal for providing artificial snow. There is a ropeway that starts from the city centre all the way to the ski slopes, equipment and beginners instructors, appropriate terrain for night skiing, restaurants and cafes for relaxation and entertainment, and everything that one needs for a snowy experience that you will remember for the rest of your life. The delicious Kruševo cuisine will satisfy even those with the most select tastes. No one is able to resist a traditional Kruševo pie with cheese and leek, the homemade sausages whose aroma you can smell from afar and attracts all visitors. The committee dish, chomlek, diverse dips, tikvarnik, pumpkin cake, and everything that you can dream of. An interesting feature is that in Kruševo you might not be offered a menu to choose your dishes. The waiters and the host will recommend and offer to you the finest they have, since these are not typical restaurants, but traditional and domestic, prepared by the hosts. They are organised in a distinctly recognisable Kruševo style. Here, you'll be able to truly sense the warmth of the atmosphere and the delicious food. Spare some time to sit and drink freshly prepared Macedonian coffee to feel the mouth-watering Turkish delight. Whilst your stomach is filled with culinary delights, your body will be replenished with freshness and your thoughts will be lost to the unforgettable beauty. Take the memories of Kruševo with you and share them with your friends.